Good morning, good morning, good morning. I missed you guys yesterday. I didn't do a video yesterday. It's pretty wore out and I had a whole lot of stuff going on yesterday because of my spontaneous trip over there to Missouri helping the Dreamers out. Kind of got a little behind on the things that I was needing to get done here on the mountain. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning though. It's kind of nice and cool. A little bit of cloudy skies. Look at that. Beautiful. I know. I know. I know. But this morning we are going to start getting ready. I'm working on the hunting area today because this weekend we got our early buck hunt gonna start Saturday. So I need to get a trail cut back to the new deer stand. And that's what we're going to work on today. That way it has a day to settle before it's time to get out there in the stand finally. I cannot believe that it's already that time for hunting season. This year has flown by. We're going to stop by the boneyard over there. We're going to go ahead and get Uber crunk up and warmed up because she'll probably be the star of the show today. And also I need to get some batteries and stuff like that. I'm also going to try out this. Check this out. It is an electronic lopper that Pops got me a while back, and I finally get a chance to use it. So we're going to stop over there and grab a couple of batteries for that as well. We'll try to use that today instead of the manual one. My wrist has been giving me fits since I did that shed move. I had when I was drilling in those screws at the bottom, it slipped and it twisted my wrist and made it start hurting real bad again. So I'm going to try to baby it a little bit today, but yet still get some stuff done. Let me spin y'all around. I don't think what I need is in here. I think it's the other one. Next week I'm going to start going through all of this and organizing and all of that over there as well. Let me set y'all up for a second. Flip y'all around. Flip you around. I'm back. Got some batteries. Set y'all back up for a second. Check this out. Pretty cool stuff. Now that's just downright fancy. Let's go ahead and warm Uber up. And then we'll take this stuff down there to where we're going to be working and go ahead and drop it off. And then come back and get Uber. Warm up, girl. We got work to do today. Are you gonna do something today? Huh? You gonna do something today? I hope so. Hope you're ready to work. Domino ran down to the Dreamers yesterday. Got in trouble, didn't you? I need to give Domino his flea and tick medicine today. He's scratching a little bit this morning. I always keep an extra one on stock for him and Eclipse. And it's about that time to give him another round. It'll probably be the last one this season that I got to do, because typically in the winter and fall it's not really an issue, but the summer and spring is when I found that they normally have the most issues with it. Flip y'all. Let's ride out. Chanel, get off the table. Man, it is a nice day. It is not hot at all. Got a little breeze kicking. It is supposed to be beautiful, beautiful weather this weekend for this early hunt. I think the high is at 81 this weekend and the low is like 52 or something like that, which is perfect. Perfect. So this little entrance right here is the one that we need to clear out. I'm curious to try this thing right here. I'm gonna try it with you guys. Watch out for danger, Noodles. I need to get my pew-pew with me today back here. Let's give this thing a shot. Put it on there like that. Hit the trigger. Oh, that's pretty nice. That's pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. Oh yeah. Let's try a little bit bigger one. Let's see how it works. A little bit thicker. Oh yeah. No problem. Let's go even thicker if it'll fit. Oh yeah, it goes around. Let's try this out. Oh, that did. It's got some torque to it now. I think I'm gonna like this little gadget. I did that left-handed too, guys. I didn't even have to use my bad wrist. That worked out. That's gonna be right nice, right nice. Man, this is a perfect day to do this. It is nice out. Huh? Thought I heard old Willie down there. I think Willie might be louder than Chanel. I'm glad she's down there at the landing. Domino, why don't you go get Taxi and the bush hog and cut this for me? Can you do that? Now I do plan on getting this field right here cut after this weekend sometime, and before the hunting season actually starts, because after this weekend there's a 3-week lull before hunting season officially starts. So that's why it's very important, very important to kind of get this hunt in this weekend. Lost my thought there for a minute. I got too much going through my brain this morning. Too much stuff I need to get done. I feel like I'm behind now because the way my week started. So yeah, definitely gotta get back on track for sure. But I think that's gonna be about it, guys. I'm glad y'all liked the last Keeping It Real I did, the little ride along with all the switchbacks and stuff. I was probably the longest Keeping It Real I've ever done. In the comments, let me know what y'all thought about it. Let me know what y'all thought about it being so long. And if y'all want more like that from time to time, it ain't something I can do every day, but every once in a while I can throw a longer format on there for you guys. But I got to get my butt to work. I hope every one of y'all have an absolutely amazing day, and do something nice for somebody, guys. Take another step closer to your goal, but keep it real. Come on.